Welcome to my today's online class. I am Shaheen Ahmed Khan, Senior Teacher English, St. Gregory's High School and College, Dhaka. Today I am going to take a class for the students of class 5 on English first paper, Unit 8. Look at the picture and try to guess what our today's lesson is. Today's lesson is Write to Me Soon. Learning outcomes. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to read and understand text through silent reading, infer meaning from context, write answers to questions, and write a paragraph. Look at the pictures related to different health problems. Here we see three pictures on different health problems. In picture number 1, we see one person is suffering from sneezing because he has got cold. In picture number 2, we see one boy is suffering from fever. And in picture number 3, we see a girl is suffering from sore throat. Here we see three pictures. In picture number 1, we see one boy is suffering from influenza viruses or flu. In picture number 2, we see one boy is coughing, and in picture number 3, we see some bottles and cans of different types of soft drinks. Flu is also known as influenza. Flu is a respiratory illness that is caused by a virus. Flu is highly contagious and is usually spread by the coughs and sneezes of a person who is infected. Shima is at home today. She didn't go to school because she is ill. She has a cough and a sore throat. She also feels very warm because she has a fever. She has the flu. The doctor visited Shima today. She needs some medicine. He also told her what to do in order to get well soon. From here we see Shima is ill and she couldn't go to school because she is suffering from fever, cough and sore throat. The doctor has visited Shima and he has prescribed some medicine for her, and he also told her what to do to get well soon. Let's read the doctor's advice given to Shima. Number 1. Eat food that gives your body energy. Try to eat even if you aren't hungry. You need to be strong. Number 2. Rest. Stay at home. Don't go to school or work. Number 3. Drink a lot of water or juice. They are better than soft drinks. Number 4. Are you coughing or sneezing? Cover your mouth and nose. Use a tissue, not your hand. Number 5. Wash your hands regularly. Number 6. Use your own plate, glass and cup. Other people can catch your illness from these things. Here we see 4 pictures. In picture 1 we see runny nose. In picture 2 we see headache. And in picture 3 we see stomachache. And in picture 4 we see chills. When a person suffers from runny nose, drops of water or droplets come out from his or her nose. When a person suffers from a headache, he or she suffers from headache problem. When a person suffers from a stomach ache, he or she suffers from stomach problem or pain. And when a person suffers from chills, he or she suffers because of excessive cold. Now let us read Shima's letter to her friend Jessica. Shima has written this letter to her friend Jessica. Let us read the letter. Dear Jessica, how are you? How was your trip back to London? I am at home today. I have the flu. It's awful. I am coughing a lot and I have a runny nose. I am using a lot of tissues. I also have a bad headache. I can't eat very much because I have a stomach ache, but my doctor says I should eat. I also have a fever. Sometimes I am very warm. Then I get cold and have chills. It's very strange. I want to go to school again soon. My friends can't visit me here because they can get ill easily. I hope you are fine. Write to me soon. Your friend Shima. This is an exercise on matching. Here we see there are two columns, column A and B. In column A there are 5 words and in column B there are 6 answers. One answer is more than necessary. From this unseen comprehension, I will show you 3 types of questions and their answers. In question number 1, you will see fill in the blanks with clues. In question number 2, you will see a question on true false. And in question number 3, there will be some questions and their answers. This is an exercise on fill in the gaps with words from the box. Here you see there are 5 blanks and the answers are given in the box. I have shown you how to write these questions answers. This is an exercise on true false. Here you see there are 6 sentences, some of them are true and some of them are false. I have shown you how to write this type of questions answers. Here there are 5 questions and answer to the questions. Read the questions and answers so that you can write these types of questions answers properly. This is a letter writing, and in this letter Sohail has a friend who lives in Khulna, and his friend's name is Rafid. Rafid wants to know about Sohail's family. That is why Sohail has written this letter to his friend Rafid. Read the question and answer so that you can understand properly. Here you must follow all the 6 parts of writing a letter, and if you follow this, all the 6 parts of writing a letter, your letter writing will be accepted. Your homework will be to write all these 5 questions answers. Question number A, what happened to Shima? Question number B, why didn't Shima go to school? Question number C, what should we drink when we get the flu? Question number D, what should Shima do when she is sneezing? Question number E, how do you give your body energy when you are sick? That's the end of today's class. I hope you have enjoyed and understood today's class. Wish your best of luck. Thank you very much for watching my today's class. See you later.